Hey guys, if you're an investor looking to add to your portfolio, or if you're a family looking for multi-generational living, this one might be for you.
That's right, guys. All of that, plus we got tons of parking, oversized double car garage, oversized deck, oversized shed, plus an in-law suite that is absolutely spectacular, all on today's episode. All right, chatter, so here we are once again in the Pringle Park neighborhood. Now guys, what we love about this location is how everything is centralized around this park and green space. Now there's no question why they did that. It's an incredible functional layout of the neighborhood. We've got the playground in behind us here for the little kids. We've got the sport courts over on the other side for the older kids. Now I know my jump shot would have been a heck of a lot better if I had that at my disposal when I was a kid. But it's not just the kids we're looking out for here. We've also got a tremendous amount of space for our four-legged friends as well. Now that's the logistics of the neighborhood, but let's talk about phenomenal Highway 400 access for all you commuters out there. Snow Valley on one end, golf courses on the other. This is a recreational playground.
All right, Scotty, now let's talk about the house. We've got a real beauty for you today. We know affordability can be a bit of an issue these days. We've got a great solution for you. We've got an all-brick bungalow in a nice corner lot. It's got an in-law suite downstairs, which is perfect for your friends or family. One of my favorite parts is no sidewalk, enough parking for 4 cars. 2-minute walk, let's go check it out.
Welcome inside, guys, to the main floor. Now there's so much you're gonna love about this home, so let's start with the floor plans. Completely open concept, which is ideal for hosting and entertaining. The finished level is spectacular as well. We've got hardwood and tile flooring throughout the entire main level. We've got updated appliances and a gorgeous open concept kitchen that overflows into your dining area. 2 bedrooms, 1 bath, and main floor laundry. This one checks all the boxes.
Speaking of checking off all the boxes, I absolutely love the space down here. Nice open concept design. 2 bedrooms down here, 1 bath. Scotty mentioned laundry upstairs. You also have laundry downstairs. Nice gas burning fireplace. You have some great light coming through these oversized windows as well. It's gonna be perfect for the in-laws.
Now, I've seen a lot of decks in my real estate career, but rarely are they this impressive. We're over 30 feet long by over 10 feet wide. It's bigger than most lots in the neighborhood. We've got the wood pergola on top of that, plus a gas line for the barbecue, but that's not all.
Now, if this oversized lot doesn't impress you, this oversized deck doesn't impress you, maybe this oversized shed will. We are the Knowles Wolseley team, and we know Barrie. For more information on this listing and more like, visit our website.